why the Texas College and Career Readiness Standards were created. The goal of the Texas CCRS is to establish what students must know and be able to do to succeed in an entry-level course offered in an institute of higher education. These CCRS are organized into 4 levels. These are just to help students get prepared for either to move on to college or into a career once they graduate from high school. The 4 levels are broken down into the key concept, the organizing component, and the performance expectations, and the examples of performance indicators. So basically it's broken up into just very general, and as you move down the levels, it gets more and more detailed about the content that the student is supposed to learn.
Okay, we chose the science standard as our CCRS, and what it says is the standards are focused on ensuring that students are ready to explore and appreciate the richness and complexity of the natural world. And we focused on biology, and under biology we went to the structure and function of cells, and basically we described the structure and function of major subcellular organelles.
For our CCRS standard, we chose to do it over animal cells.
The first thing is, what is a cell? And cell is a structural and functional unit of life.
There are different types of cells, so whether you focus on plant and animal cells, and for this one we just wanted to teach our students the functions and structures of an animal cell.
And talking about the components of the cell, we first started with mitochondria, which is also called the powerhouse of the cell, and it is the organ that releases energy for the cell functions.
Then we went into the nucleus, which is the center of the cell and provides all activities within the cell.
And then finally, ribosomes. Ribosomes are tiny spherical bodies that help make proteins, and they are found in the cytoplasm.
Next, we wanted the students to be able to label the structures of the cell that we went over. So basically you can drag and label the words into the correct places of the cell. This makes it interactive for the students and also makes sure that they are paying attention during lecture.
And finally, there is a section for multiple choice questions. The first one is like, I'm the powerhouse of the cell, who am I? And you can choose one of these. The right answer in this case is mitochondria B.
Then we did another question, which is true false, and the nucleus is the center of activity for the cell, which is also a true statement. And that's the end of our presentation. Thank you.
Thank you.